Welcome back to WP Phoenix, which is now Byron Lopez. I have rebranded. It's pretty much the same thing, but what I'm going to be doing in here is I'm going to be implementing a new techniques that I had acquired while I was learning UI UX designing. All right, so let's start from the beginning. It's been a while since I left the channel unattended, if you want to call it like that. So thanks for everyone that I was questioning and following what was cooking there. So I went back to school. I left my full-time job. I went back to school, and I came to a point that I was ready to start a new path, a new designing career, if you want to call it. So I get into the UX UI. So after learning UX UI, I came up with my personal website, my brand website, and this is what I came. This is my projects. This is my site. Please visit. If you have any feedback, you can leave it right here. Screenshot feedback, video feedback, or general feedback. Right, there are a few options you can leave it to it. In the main menu, you can actually find the portfolio, latest work, the resume, about me, and contact me. So if you want to take my latest work, it's right here. You want to see my portfolio, this is what it is. All right, so I call this project fin, or which is final, or like final in Spanish. Sorry. So and this day, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a website for my father, which owns a construction landscaping company. So I'm gonna be implementing all the knowledge that I acquired, that I gained from General Assembly, and then I'm gonna be adding them into the design, but and then into WordPress. When I say design, you need to understand something. Design, it takes more than just the visual. It takes more than just what's touchable. It's like creating a body, like creating a human. It goes little by little. All you see from the outside skin, but remember that there's veins, there's bones. There are a lot of organs and things that it actually makes a human a human. So that's what when it comes to UI UX and into the design, let's say developers, it's not as easy as just saying it. So I knew about WordPress and I learned about UI UX. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna compound those two, and I'm gonna came out with a solution for the business that I'm going to be creating a website. All right, so first of all, we have to start from the beginning. So let me take a look to what we're going to be doing. All right, so the name of the business, it's Shego Landscaping Project. It's based in New Jersey. All right, it's going to be a UI UX full development, a WordPress and CRM. That's something that I'm going to be adding into it. Like I said, my knowledge is gonna be put it to work. I'm gonna put it to work what I learned, right? So the first thing that you obviously have to do in the business is it's talk to the person and do some research. So you're gonna research in the internet about landscaping business in New Jersey. Why? Because you want to see how it's moving, what's cooking, what's coming, what's going, what's trending, what's not doing it well. All right, so but before you do that, you have to do the search, the user research. So in this point, I already talked to the owner. So what are his needs? How is he gonna be doing this? What's the business for? What's his main goal? What's the purpose of creating the website? Who is he pointing to? Who is he trying to sell? He's trying to sell to let's say just commercials, or he's trying to sell to residentials. So everything, it's gonna be added into this section. So and based on what he said, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna implement it, and then we're gonna use different tools to make sure that the website comes together and it's functional. So just think about it. Design is something that it's functional, because you can design anything and everything that you want in this world, all right? But it's different if you can visualize that, if you can touch it. So for example, let's say that I can create a website that it's throwing money out of a plane, but that doesn't mean anything, because the website, when you bring the video or that SVG animation to the design, the designer is gonna be like, okay, you know what, the website, it's not functional, so it's not gonna work out. We gotta do this and that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create this project based on what I know, all right, and also by implementing the idea that it's gonna be functional, because in WordPress you can make a lot of things, right? And also you have to understand that the website has to clearly communicate to the people what they're looking for. You don't want to see customers coming to the website and looking for like 2-3 pages in order to find what they're looking. So it's easy and simple. That's how we're gonna start with it. All right, so let's start with this section, and I will be showing you with the user research, the interviews, and the affinity mapping that I came up with it. All right, testings, a lot of testings are going to be done. I want this website to be functioning 100%, regardless of the traffic that we're going to be having it now. But I want the website to be functioning as fast as I can, so I can get this back to the owner, and so he can start doing the business and taking appointments through the website. All right, so this is it for the first section of the video, first step, let's say. See you in the next one. Bye bye.